Welcome back everyone. Today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to replace the backplate for Glocks. Going to be putting this engraved American flag on over here. Got it at polyblinkgrips.com. We have a ton of different options and designs you can choose from, or tell us what you want. We'll engrave it for you. No problem at all. So let's get right into it. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that the gun's clear, chamber's clear, everything looks good, and then we're just going to take this slide off real quick. Put that aside right over there. And now we can see what we're working with. So we're going to grab, I'm using an Allen key in this case, however you can use any small tool. We're just going to have to press down this little spacer sleeve right here. So we're going to be holding it down and then sliding the backplate down like that. So let's go ahead and do that. Just be careful and make sure that your finger's over the back of the plate the entire time so that none of the springs shoot out. So we got that going. Open that up like this and nothing's flying out. Looking good. Those are the firing pin and the ejector springs that I was talking about. So now we'll get your new plate here. Make sure everything looks good and clean before you put it on. Now we're just going to have to hold that spring there down, slip it over, and bring it up until you hit the ejector spring. In that case, you get your small tool just to press it, hold it down, and bring it up till you hear a click. Alright, everything should be nice and firm, looks good, spring's in a good spot. Put your gun back together and make sure that everything functions properly. And you're all set. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Just post in the comments if you have any other questions or want to see us do another tutorial.